that pencil, you're going to have to start wearing a skirt, bro. I mean, it's just over. It's done. It's done. You're cooked. Didn't you already turn these in on Google Classroom? Because that's where you're supposed to turn them in.
My internet is not working, and my back camera on my phone doesn't work anymore. It did! And it wouldn't load, and I turned it in, but I don't know if it's there.
Well, I don't want these. I want these on Google Classroom.
Okay.
Did I get my test?
I hate my phone so much.
I didn't give you a quiz back. No, I don't think I did. Were you here and took the quiz? You were, weren't you? Well, where is your quiz? I don't know. It's in a black hole.
Yes.
Oh, look, see? Sparkles on the design. Not like sparkles.
Okay. Do we have questions on the quizzes I gave back? Did you accidentally take it with you?
Maybe.
Because I don't know whether I grade. Did I? Because I don't take papers home anymore, so it would be in this room.
Can we do 25?
On which one?
Like quiz.
Which one?
I know. I took it out for sure because it would be right here, and I would remember because I
Wait, is it?
I wasn't here.
Good for you.
See? Look, I'll turn it around, and it has the front camera.
You did the exact same thing I did, but you got 2.5.
Take it with the front camera.
No, because you got 1.1.
You can also always use your mom's camera. I mean, you're using her Gmail thing anyway. So.
Were there stabbies involved?
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Makes sense why
I
it's
got
that
stabbed so many times.
You didn't label what quiz it was? You didn't say quiz 2 something?
Fight, and that was my win.
What?
The quiz we did on
I won the fight.
2 what?
With that.
I went with my hand.
Oh my gosh, where did I put it?
I don't know. Maybe you didn't.
Bro, yeah, I don't think I put the. This isn't the
Oh,
same.
really?
Quiz,
Yeah, she's
that's
not.
You put quiz. That's good.
the date.
That's a step in a good direction.
Hey, do we know Fred?
Was it the absolute value one?
Riley, my twin. I have no idea.
She's at volleyball.
That's a good quiz on
Oh, yeah, she's the one that was like LBG.
What number did what?
They look so much
20 what?
Oh,
Yeah, it was the same one. We did 178.
Page 78.
That's actually, and maybe they
And number 25. Okay, we're going to do page 78, number 25. Gardening. A flat of plants contains 12 plants. Yoshi wants a garden that, I bet you're not the only one that wants this one either. Everybody else is just sitting around jawing instead of looking at their work.
I don't have any work.
Anyway, Yoshi wants a garden that has 3 rows with 10 plants per row. Write and solve an equation for the number of flats Yoshi wants to buy. Okay, so how would we calculate area? What math? How do I calculate area of a rectangle? Length times width. So to find how many things, it's not really, the units is plants, right? But same idea, right? And it says that she wants three rows by 10 plants in each row, right? How many plants are in each flat? How many plants are in each flat? 12. 12 flats. There's your equation.
Delicious.
There's the equation. There's part 1. We circle that, and then what it asks after that is, to figure out how many flats he needs to buy. So we need to solve that. So to solve that, what do? 3 times 10 sounds like a great first step. What is 3 times 10? 30. Now what? I think you meant it right but said it backwards. 30 divided by 12, right? We're going to divide 12 on both sides.
Oh, we were supposed to solve it too. I just got the equation. Ooh, I solved them.
What is 30 divided by 12?
2.5.
2.5. 2.5 what's? Flats. Blamio. Yeah. It's just ugly.
2.5 hours. I don't really care as long as it's the right pair.
Yeah. All right, any other questions from the quizzes I gave back? No. All right. So we are today on 2-4?
Yeah, 2.
Wow, we're slow. No, just kidding. 2-2. And we did what numbers? 2 through 42 evens. All right, number 2 is 171. Number 4 is -3. Number 6 is 38. Number 8 is -2 3/4. Number 10 is -35. Number 12 is 15. Number 14 is -36. Number 16 is 10 cents. Why would I wait?
Number what is 16?
I never got it.
Number 16 is 10 cents. I don't know what I said, but number 16 is 10 cents. 18 is 23. 20 is -43. 22 is -12. 24 is 73. 26 is -15. 28 is -54. 30 is 7/20. 32 is -7/15. 34 is -9/37. 36 is -147. 38 is -25. 40 is -9/2. 42 is demons. 70 miles per hour. I saw cats and got confused.
You said it was what?
What? Like what the actual answer is? 70 miles per hour.
That color won't go.
Mr. Sean, which homework was this?
2-2.
On number 2,
Why are we on number 2?
is that a -67?
6:30.
On number
Oops.
2, on number 2, is that a -67?
It's y -67. Yeah. What lesson did you do?
10-7.
How was that possible? How did that happen? 10-7 is the date. That's why the 10-7 was on there. Oh, okay. You did 10-7's homework. You did chapter 10, lesson 7. Because I think you would have struggled on that.
I did 2-3 and 2-4.
Okay, so you did the homework for Tuesday.
Attaboy!
Which kind of makes for an easy weekend for you, kind of, because you got a easy 1 lesson instead of 2 lessons. So you'll lose a tiny fraction of amount of points for late, but you'll still have an easy weekend. So.
And I already turned it in.
Right? Yeah. See, you're like cooking accidentally. Okay, what questions do we have on this lesson?
I don't have any questions because
Well, just
I did it, but I don't.
We could do number 12.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna screenshot that.
Oh,
I
that's
did
funny.
my Uncle John.
If you do, you have to send it to me. Heck yes.
Hey, I have your email. I'll be your new profile picture.
Mr. Sean, did I accidentally unplug the camera?
Still working.
No, you did.
So
Oh, we did.
even if you did unplug the camera, as long as you plug it back in, it's fine. There's a battery inside. So the screen goes on standby. It doesn't stay bright. You can look to see whether you've unplugged it by looking at the plug. All right. So we are solving for n. What is attached to n? 2/3. How is 2/3 attached to n? Multiplication. How do we get rid of it? Division. How do we divide fractions? We multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3/2. These ones cancel, right? Interesting. Yes. Did you get this one right? So why are you not writing currently? We had a bunch of like strange noises come out of kids just now. Do we understand what's on the board currently? Okay. All right. So 10 times 3/2 is 15, right? And if you will learn to do a little pre-reduction, you too can do that one in your brain.
So,
Wait, where did I put the extra quiz now?
Stop asking. Nobody wants to, but
Zion is obsessed with quizzes. He wants them all the quizzes. What other questions from this lesson do we have? We could do number 8. Delicious.
Heck yeah.
All right.
I can't believe you agree with me. What's going on? Wait.
We're gonna do number 8 twice because I'm gonna do it this one, and then I'm gonna change it so I can talk about something else. All right. So solving for G. What's attached to G? 3.
Minus.
It is attached through addition. That's true. So we subtract it from both sides.
Sorry, I have to say it first. He has to.
No, you don't.
You don't have to. That's false.
Well, I promised Sean.
So what is 1/4 minus 3?
1, 1.
Use a calculator.
1, 1. Bro, how is it -3?
Yeah, so. Use your calculator.
Mira, brother. How is this? Stop talking! When I am talking out loud, hush your mouths. You go shh. Put a bubble in your mouth.
We used to do that all the time.
I know. That was for the public school kids or people that had Sunday school teachers that were like that thing. Yeah. Put a bubble in your mouth. Walk like a duck. Duck hands, whatever it is. I don't know, whatever it's called. Anyway, why is it a -3? Was your statement question, was where I started with this whole mess. How is the 3 attached to the G? Addition. What's the opposite of adding? So -3, -3.
But how did you get?
Well, my.
This, because 1/4 minus 3 is -2 3/4. When the signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. So it's definitely going to be negative because 3 is definitely bigger than 1/4. If I have 3 and I take away 1/4, then I have 2 3/4 left. Okay. We're going to do this problem again with a modification.
I felt really good about this, but I got
Okay. Let's do -3 plus G equals 1/4. What's attached to the G? 3, -3. However you want to look at it, which is kind of the point of this exercise of what I'm doing here. How do we get rid of it? We add 3, even though there's a plus here. You don't subtract 3 because -3 minus 3 is -6, not 0. That's an easy mistake to make, right? When the negative's hanging out here in front. So we add it to both sides. Right? And we get 3 1/4. Savvy? No, cabbage. Okay.
Okay, I'm not gonna say delicious.
She said savage, and I said no cabbage. Okay. What other questions from this lesson do we have?
quiz. Test. Quiz.
Any other good questions about this lesson?
No. Quiz. The state test.
Number 22.
No.
Quiz.
-12.
Can we do
We will take a quiz if and when I choose. You saying quiz does nothing except annoy your peers, which is probably what you're going for to begin with. What other questions do we have?
Take over your mouse and how you
Can we do number 10?
Yeah, sure.
By 9.
We're trying to solve for t. What is attached to t? 7. How's it attached? Division. So how do we get rid of it? Multiplication.
Why'd you say that so aggressively, dude?
Because he's crazy.
So what's negative 7? What is negative 5 times 7?
What?
Negative 35
Nice.
is correct.
Okay, we're so smart.
It's a good thing.
Okay, so there are two things if you didn't quote unquote get any of them right. Two things that we need to think about. One, the more important thing is this, which is why I'm leading with this one, even though this is oftentimes not the one y'all start with. You need to make sure you understand how to get them right now. How to get them correct. The second thing that can be helpful so that you can not make the same mistakes again, sometimes, as long as you don't do it obsessively, is figuring out why you missed it. Like what was the error in the thinking, right? Now, some people take that to the nth degree and have to have everything right. The one that does that in here is not here today.
The Wiley.
Yeah.
That's why it's so quiet.
Wow.
That's why we don't.
Here, say that again.
Riley's not here, so it's quiet.
Yeah, so she'll make some comment about it, and she will laugh, and we'll all laugh. We love you, Riley.
She'll make the comment section loud.
She'll make the comment section loud. That could be fun. Okay. What other questions from this lesson do we have?
None. So you're gonna say it. I want to say it too. Don't say it. Say what? What? Say 7? No.
No, he's wanting to say quiz. Both of you stop. Because you're annoying them is boiling over to annoying me. It is leaving the pot. So we're done with that joke. It was funny while it lasted. Okay. It was fun for them. Any other questions from this lesson?
No.
You don't actually have to say no because, other people might have a question. But
Maybe. I say no. No.
yeah. How is the negative 4 attached to the A?
By subtraction.
No. Okay, good. I'll write it down then. It is negative. It is negative. Is that 44? Where's that? 48. It is negative. This is also something that happens, right? When we're learning stuff. That's negative. But it is not subtraction.
That's the thing that confused me on all of them.
Good. Okay. This is right next to it. If it was going to be subtraction, there would be another symbol here, right? It would be plus, or it would be a minus 4, right? So if it's addition or subtraction, there's a symbol in the middle. But if there's no symbol, it's multiplication. So we divide both sides by negative 4 and get negative 12. Good. Very useful question. Any other questions from this lesson? All right, let's take a quiz.
Yes!
Why did you say that?
What page is it?
What page is it?
We are on lesson 2-2. Figure it out yourself. I'm tempted to not even write the page, but I will write it, I guess.
86. Oh, we are. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I knew that. What number is it? I need number. I'm sorry.
86.
I need number.
Not your
Ready, go. Y'all don't let me forget to start the thing again. I realized earlier today that I don't have to just keep recording the nonsense that happens during quizzes. I can just restart.